Students, so this is Pratibha Ramgonda. So we are discussing the first chapter of BEEE, that is Basics of Electricity. So in this PPT, we are going to cover lecture number 1 and 2. So the contents present in this PPT are overview, that is the introduction to your basics of electricity, then few terminologies and definitions such as current, EMF, voltage, electric potential, potential difference, resistance and conductance, and at the end we are going to summarize the whole PPT. So coming to the first slide, that is the overview, that is introduction to your basics of electricity. So electricity is defined as the flow of electric charges. So when we are speaking about charges, there are basically three kinds of charges: proton, which is positively charged; electron, which is negatively charged; and neutron, which is electrically neutral, means it does not have any charge. So when we are defining electricity, we can define electricity as it is a flow of electrons in particular directions. Next, we will discuss few terminologies and definitions. First is current. As I said, current is nothing but it is a flow of charges, or current is flow of electrons in particular direction. The standard unit of your current is ampere, which is denoted by the letter A, and ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. Your current is denoted by the letter capital I, and current is given by the expression I is equal to Q by T, where your current I is a current which is measured in amperes, Q is a charge which is measured in coulombs, and T is time which is measured in terms of seconds. So the another definition for your current can be, it is the ratio of charge to the time. So this is the diagram where you have a battery and bulb connected. So here this diagram shows the conventional direction of your current. So the conventional direction of current is from negative to positive. The next definition over here is EMF, voltage or electric potential. So electric potential is defined as the amount of potential energy which is applied between 2 points in a circuit. So the standard unit for your electric potential is joules per coulomb or volts. This is denoted by the letter V, and here voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage, whereas ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. The next is EMF. The full form of EMF is electromotive force. So this is also an voltage, but this is voltage which is generated by a battery or by magnetic force. The next definition over here is potential difference. Now electric potential difference, it is a difference in your electric potential between your final and initial location when work is done on a charge in order to change its potential energy. So you can see here V1 is your initial potential, V2 is its final potential. So the difference between your V1 and V2 is given by V21, that is your potential difference. So it is denoted V21 is equal to your final voltage minus your initial voltage. The next definition we are going to discuss is about resistance. So resistance is a material which has a property which will oppose the flow of the current. So resistance is measured in terms of ohms. Here ohm meter is a device which is used to measure the resistance. So you can see the symbol of the resistance. This is the symbol of the resistance where it is starting from the raising edge and ending with the ending edge. So resistance is calculated by using the equation R is equal to V by I, where R is resistance which is measured in terms of ohms, V is potential difference or your electric potential which is measured in terms of volts, and I is current which is measured in terms of amperes. The next definition which we are going to discuss is conductance, which is denoted by G. This is the opposite of your resistance, and your conductance is measured in Siemens, which is denoted by the letter S. So this is the symbol of your conductance, and conductance is again calculated using the equation G is equal to 1 by V or G is equal to 1 by R, where your G is conductance, which is measured in terms of Siemens, I is current, which is measured in terms of ampere, V is potential difference, which is measured in terms of volts, and R is resistance, which is measured in terms of ohms. So to summarize the whole PPT, we just got to know the definition of your electricity. That is nothing but it is the flow of charges. Current you can define, it is the flow of electrons in particular direction. Current is measured in terms of amperes, and ammeter is a device which is used to measure the current. Coming to the voltage or EMF, the potential which is being applied between the circuit is nothing but it is your voltage, which is denoted or which is measured in terms of volts, and voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage. The next is potential difference. The potential difference is the difference which is applied between your initial and final electric potential. So coming to resistance, it is a property which will oppose the flow of electrons, and resistance are measured in terms of ohms. So ohm meter is a device which is used to measure the resistance. Coming to the conductance, it is reciprocal of your resistance. So the standard unit for your conductance is Siemens. Thank you, students.